on guys, CashMoneyAP here, back with another sneaker unboxing. And today I have the hottest, the greatest Nike sneaker of all time. Simple as that. I'm honestly so shocked that I have it, and I just want to go ahead and get started with this because I had to find I had to make a couple calls to Nike in order for them to The point about this shoe list, I want to keep it a surprise for you guys, because right now you might be thinking, what is this guy even talking about? What is this shoe? What is this magic Nike shoe that he could possibly be referring? What Nike shoe is he talking about? So here we have a regular Nike swoosh, a little swoosh in the center. I really hope I didn't show the name on the shot. It's a shoe that has shaped a whole generation. It's a shoe that has changed everything in Nike history. Let's go ahead. Okay, the paper is a little bit damaged right there, but it's still not peeking what the shoe is. And let's just, you know what? I'm tired of making you guys wait. Just go ahead and, oh yeah, boy. Man, what can I say about the Nike Air Monarch? Oh my goodness, look at that leather quality over here by the swoosh, the reflective swoosh. Oh my god, look at that. It's kind of like, it reminds me of the Choke Slips, which was my last video. If you guys haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. But this reflective swoosh, it's just iconic. Like, it's just so great. These shoes are crazy. These shoes are something else. So let's just go ahead and take the other one out. The Nike Air Monarch, the greatest shoe Nike has ever developed, the hottest shoe they have ever developed. Let's go ahead, once again, the reflective swoosh over here, dead center in both the inside and the outside of the shoe. On the outside of the shoe right here by the midsole, you actually have a little bit of Air branding. So there's actually another message over here towards, closer to the toe box, which is full length Air. I really like the outsole. I think it's a really cool design, especially with this wiggly pattern over here towards the front of the foot. Go ahead and see, okay, the toe box is actually a little bit of tumble leather. I don't think this is synthetic, but really high quality leather, I gotta admit. Probably better than Jordan shoes. So I'm just gonna say it, you know what, I said it. Also over here in the toe box, you have actually quite a lot of stitching. So you have stitching over here on the upper part of the toe box, and then there's like another layer, and then there's two lines of stitching as well. I think that's a really cool design pattern as well. I think that brings a lot of depth to the shoe. I think it makes it look more professional. But going over here towards the front, right where the outsole begins, you have Nike, a really small Nike swoosh. I don't even think you can see, oh there you go, I think you can see it right there. Nike, really small Nike swoosh. The foam over here actually that's on the midsole is actually pretty tough, but it still feels like foam in a way, so it's probably really comfortable ride. The padding right here below the laces is actually really high quality. You know, it's really like bouncy. You can tell it's gonna be really comfortable to wear. And over here on the laces, actually, they added this really cool detail where they have parallel lines running through this little loop. And then on the outside of the tongue, just like in a lot of Nike shoes, you have the name of the shoe written on it. So Air Monarch over here on the outside, same with some really high quality padding. There's a couple lines over here right towards the end of the swoosh on both the inside and the outside. I'm not sure what they're there for, because it's not like they go through inside of the shoe, but I think it makes it look really like a futuristic, gives it a futuristic look. And moving towards the back, you have Air branding once again right below the heel loop, and the heel loop actually has that same pattern that we saw in one of the shoelaces, or the holes for the shoelaces. So you have more Air Monarch branding, and then you also have the full length Air once again. I don't know what that D is for, but I have a D. A lot of tumble leather on this shoe, so I kind of like that. I like that detail. These are definitely fire. A lot of stitching as well, actually. There's plenty of stitching throughout the shoe from top to bottom. But now it's the actual moment of truth. They smell like any other shoe, but I mean, they're still fire. I'm not gonna put that on, you know what I'm saying? But the real exciting part is that we get to try these on today, so let's go ahead and see how they look on feet. Alright, so honestly, everything you wear these shoes with, it's just straight fire. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and complain about certain looks or about a specific look and say that it is my favorite, because these are just the greatest shoes ever. So they match with everything, they look fresh with anything, and these 4 specific combinations are the ones that I would consider my top 4, which is why I'm putting them here. But again, I could wear them with anything. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more hot sneaker unboxings. And yeah, thank you for watching. You guys are amazing. Peps Money Bags out.